what is in my hand? A burning candle. You will feel that while I am carrying a lighted candle. Children, now we are going to talk about air currents. How? When we light a candle, many of you must have done it with the help of your adults, of course. Do not play with fire or matchsticks. When an adult is with you, you can light a candle or any other things with the help of the adults. Okay? Children, when we light a candle, you can see the flame and the air around it is heated up. If I put my hands, of course you will not do that without, as I told you, without some adults near you. If I put the hand, I can feel my hand is getting heated up. Why? Because the air around this candle which is lighted up, which is burning, is getting hot. Okay? Due to fire. Even if I burn some pieces of wood or maybe the branches of a tree, which we do generally in winter season, or when your mother she cooks food in a gas oven, you must have seen that the place get heated up, isn't it? Because the air around it is getting hotter due to this candle's flame, isn't it? So children, we know that when there is the fire burning, the air gets heated up. Same thing happens with the sun also. The sun is giving us light and heat. Due to the heat of the sun, due to this ultraviolet rays, the atmosphere, the layers of air or atmosphere which we say is getting heated up, isn't it? So when we are facing towards the sun, which we have discussed in the previous lesson, when we are facing towards the sun, the places gets hotter. Why? Because air around it is heated up. Because of that reason only we feel hot. And now as we are further away from the sun, so we are not experiencing hot days because we are having winter season. Why? Because the northern hemisphere is away from the sun. So we are not getting the direct rays of the sun. But if you stand in the sun for an hour also, now also, you will feel heated up. Isn't it? Your body will get, because the air around it is heated. Children, the flame, as you can see, is always upwards, isn't it? Even if I do this way, tilted, that also, you can see the flame upwards, means hot air rises up. Hot air rises up, okay? Even if my candle is tilted, it is also, the flame can be, you can see the flame is rising up, okay? Even if I slowly tilt it down, okay? Tilt it down, also you can see, isn't it children, that it is, the flame is going up, okay? Now I close, means I put off but the air around it is a small candle, it will not be heated. But of course, if I have a bigger candle, I can feel the heat of this fire, okay? So hot air rises up, this you understand. Next children, that there is a flow of current. Now hot air is lighter. Just remember that hot air rises up because it is light. When it is lighter, it rises up. Now there cannot be a vacuum, there cannot be empty space. What happened? The cooler air from the other places flow towards that place to take the space. So the space cannot remain empty. Our environment, our atmosphere cannot remain empty. It has to have something. Okay. So when the air gets heated up, it rises because it is lighter, and the cooler air, which is heavier, comes to take its place. Now there is another experiment which is given your book which says that you take one cardboard box and you have two holes and you put two chimneys in it, okay, and you put one lighted candle inside. Inside you put a lighted candle and take a smoldering paper. Smoldering paper means the paper which burns, which can be which gets burned easily, okay. So that type of paper. Now you light the candle. What happened when the candle is lighted through this hole? What happened? Hot air will rise, isn't it? Because there is space over here, so it will start rising from here. The space is given here and it starts rising from here, okay. And it, hot, if you put your hand here, you will see hot air. You can feel the hot air. So it is rising from. So there is a vacuum over here. Now here you hold the paper. Here you hold the paper, and due to the heat of the candle, this paper starts burning into ashes. Okay, and then there is smoke. Smoke is coming out. Now when smoke is coming out, what happened? This air, this side, the air is cooler, and they flow towards this and takes the place. So it flows towards this side and takes the place of. So you can see there is air current. Air current means hot air will rise up and go up because it is lighter, and the cooler air which is heavier will flow towards that place to take its place. So there is air current, which you will understand that due to this circulation of wind, we have different climatic conditions, like we have windy day, or maybe we have cyclones, or we have the hurricanes and all these things. So in this way there is circulation of wind. In the hotter places the wind will be hotter, and because of the heat of the sun, and it will rise up, and that space will be empty, and the cooler air from the cooler places, which is heavier, will flow towards it. So we have this circulation of winds, which causes different type of condition, like we have sea breeze and land breeze, which we will be discussing in the next one. Thank you.